Hi there! Exclusions are a great way to help simplify scoping. Let's go through a couple examples of how we can use exclusions in Jamf Pro. For our first example, I've created a configuration profile that defers all macOS updates for 90 days, but I haven't added a scope to it yet. This configuration profile should be applied to everyone's computer. However, we need members of the IT department to be able to upgrade and test the latest updates, so let's use an exclusion to make this easier to scope. After clicking on the configuration profile, click Scope, and then click Edit. Under the Target Computers pop-up menu, select All Computers. Next, click the Exclusions tab and click Add. Under the Department tab, click Add next to IT, and then click Done. Finally, click Save to distribute this configuration profile to all scoped computers that are not excluded. Another way we can use exclusions is during troubleshooting. I've been told that one of our users has an issue with one of their applications that should be fixed in the latest macOS update. I'm going to make an exception and let this user upgrade early to hopefully resolve their issue. Let's click Edit and go back to the Exclusions tab. Click Add and find the target computer under the Computers tab. Click Add next to the target computer, and then click Save. Now this computer can upgrade to the latest version of macOS. Once I've confirmed that they have successfully upgraded, I can go back into my exclusions and remove that computer so they are no longer excluded from those restrictions. Thanks for watching.